Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So first of all, many happy returns of the day to Ram Charan sir.
Yes, happy birthday Ramcharan sir.
Yes,
May God
so-
bless you and live a long life.
Yes, so on the eve of this special day,
Yes.
we are going to give our reaction on a birthday mashup of Ram Charan sir.
Yes, and this video is by Cine Safari.
Okay.
Okay, so I think Cine Safari is not a big name, but yes, they have done brilliant job. I think on this birthday special mashup creation. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes. Okay.
Powerful people comes from powerful places.
Star.
ఇక్కడ రామ్ రామ్ కొన్నిదల్లా
Don't sacrifice anything for anybody.
One of his best movie.
తమ్ముడు లెట్స్ డూ కుమ్ముడు
एक बार कच्चे रो डांस फ्लोर
See his dance moves also. Oof.
Wow.
He's good dancer as well.
Yes. Wow.
See his dance moves.
So flexible body.
Ah.
చరణ్ గా చాలా బాగా చేస్తాడు. తన డాన్సులు బాగా చేస్తాడు, ఫైట్లు బాగా చేస్తాడు, యాక్టింగ్ బాగా చేస్తాడు. చిరంజీవి గారు అబ్బాయి అనే విషయం మర్చిపోయి గొడ్డులా కష్టపడతాడు. సో డెఫినెట్లీ చరణ్ ఇస్ టాలెంటెడ్. చరణ్ తోలినట్టు గుర్రం నాకు తెలిసి ఏ హీరో తోలలేడు. సో తనకంటూ కొన్ని యూనిక్ అబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. దట్ ఈస్ వై చరణ్ ఇస్ చరణ్.
యుద్ధం గెలవాలంటే యుద్ధం చేయాల్సిందే.
Full on action. See this. Wow. Horse ride, bike ride.
Every single thing.
Wow.
సరైన సింహం తగలంత వరకు ప్రతి వేటగాడు మగాడారా.
ఇంజిన్ కి కులం గోత్రాలు ఉండవు. ఏ సేరైనా తెడిపెద్దంతే. ఎవరైనా సరే చిరంజీవిని ఏమి సాధించావు అంటే ఆ అభిమానుల సమక్షంలో అలా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఏమి సాధించావు అంటే రామ్ చరణ్ సాధించావు. రియలీ ఐఎమ్ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ రామ్ చరణ్. ఐ లవ్ యూ.
My goodness.
Wow, wow. This is full pack. powerful performance.
I think day by
of
day
Ram
he's
Charan sir.
getting bigger and bigger. Right?
Bigger and bigger, yes, day
Yes,
by day.
exactly. And we have seen him in lot of different type of character,
Yes.
romance hero also, action hero as well. Lot of the different. And
Lot of the
I think
different,
the best movie of Ram Charan sir is
Magadhira.
Magadhira.
Yes.
Exactly. That is the superb
Movie.
Superb.
I think Ram Charan sir is nothing but a wet soil. You can give any kind of shape,
Yes.
right? He is
That's
like
true.
that only. Any kind of character, whether it is chocolatey boy kind of character, or
Yes.
very angry action hero kind of character, or very kind of polite,
Yes.
very shant kind of
Right.
character. Like each and every, Magadhira is a very powerful king
powerful.
character.
Because it
There
needed
also.
a kind of actor
Ha.
who looks powerful
looks
as
powerful.
well, right?
And his
whose
face also.
body should be flexible. He can
Flexible.
fight with sword and
Yes.
all. Those flexibility it was
My
needed.
goodness.
So he has done a brilliant job
And
with
he
that
is very
movie.
good looking also. It is
Yes.
he's actually plus
Chocolatey boy,
point.
right?
Chocolatey boy image. He's very good
Yes.
looking. His nose very sharp. His eyes features is very sharp. So
Yes.
you can definitely think any kind of chocolatey boy kind of image in
Yes,
his
yeah. I think
gesture.
I think we have seen his angry face as well,
Ha,
right? So
angry face also as well.
we have
That is
seen-
also.
that is also superb, right?
Superb,
Because while
superb.
fighting and all, we have seen lot of angry faces.
Yes.
So
वो मूवी
those-
कौन सा था जो बस
this one.
में दो है, अल्लू अर्जुन भी है, ये भी है, सारा
Yavadu
That
was
movie
also
also awesome.
Yes.
At the last scene, if you see the fight of Ram Charan sir, you will be like blown away, your
Yes.
mind, okay?
Yes.
So this is actually ultimate. Like I think that Ram Charan sir is the ultimate talent of Telugu film industry, and he is boundless.
Right,
He is having extremely क्या बोले मतलब numberless talent.
Right.
Like he is a very expression king. He is a superb actor. He is having a good body,
Right.
and above all the dance.
Yeah, dance
My
movie, you can't
goodness.
accept that one,
The
right?
way he was
That is-
moving his legs and his whole body was like moving like snake.
Exactly.
He is
that's
very
why
talented.
Allu Arjun sir told that Charan is
Charan is Charan. Nobody is like
That
him.
a big name.
That
yeah,
big
right.
name.
And also
Yes.
I have seen in many of the movies. His emotional scenes also we have seen. Like while I don't know which movie, but he's playing or emotionally attached with his mother and all. Like that scene was also there, and also romantic hero you see because he's chocolate.
That's why he is expression king, right? मतलब कोई भी आप दे दो, मैं बोली ना wet soil है, कोई भी रोल आप दे दो, सारे रोल एकदम one मतलब 10 on 10 करके वो निकलेंगे. He is
Exactly.
extremely talented.
And also he
Very
has done
much.
a Bollywood movie also,
हाँ,
Janjeer with
Janjeer
Priyanka
with
Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra.
So,
I
though
was just about
it was
to tell
not
that,
that successful in Bollywood, but yes, his
I
acting
was,
is super.
I was surprised because I think that we were at the time of Janjeer, when Janjeer got released, we were in the college that time. I think
Maybe,
college or school,
exactly,
something
exactly,
like that.
I don't remember.
I saw for the first time Ram Charan sir there only, and I was like, he is a newcomer to the Bollywood. I didn't know that he was the already a great
Already
Telugu
a great
actor.
talented
I
actor,
didn't know that
right.
because that time I was totally indulged into studies and
Bollywood.
all.
And also you
Bollywood.
used to watch
I
Bollywood movie.
didn't know that much, okay, and that is my bad actually. But that time I was like, oh my god, he's very talented and he's looking very handsome.
Yes.
Then I searched in the I think Google or that time computer to tha nahi, but I searched anyways, and I saw he's already a great actor, man. He is already a Telugu star. Then I got to know about
Exactly.
him.
I
So
like
this
him.
kind of
I like
story
him.
was there.
Like he when he fights with swords also, and while he's riding horses and all, his
He's,
expression
looking
because
like a
with
king only.
long hair, flowing outward and all those things. It was amazing,
Amazing.
and perfect hero or a perfect character for those
Very
things
true,
also.
very
And
true.
also we have seen a lot of places where he's riding bikes and all. Those things was also super.
He's one of the stylish hero out there. We would love to say.
I think
I
I have seen him in different roles also, like a cop role also. I have seen in a warrior role also. I have seen a normal person like that kind of character also. We have seen
Yavadu mein hi to,
Yavadu, yes,
normal
normal kind of
person,
person was there, right? And also in that Magadhira, we
Magadhira,
have seen
king.
him as a warrior kind, not
Warrior.
king, but as a warrior.
Warrior, yes.
Right. And some of the other movies also I have seen him as a police officer. I don't remember that.
He's a
movie
very
name,
good
but-
at comedy also. Comedy role also he's very
Cracking
able
jokes,
to cracking
right.
jokes. Yes.
Yes.
Matlab he is everything. Okay, he is 10 on 10 on everything. So yes, we are supremely proud to give the reaction on this mashup. And now just let's talk about the mashup, how he has created.
Right. So coming
right?
back to this mashup, this guy is
Cine Safari.
a new guy. So they have he has done a brilliant job because he has covered a lot of the things here. Like
he has covered I think every
everything.
single
Like,
scenes,
some of the
super hit
great people
scenes.
like a mega star Chiranjeevi. He
Yes.
is also saying some good words for him, and also Allu Arjun is saying about good word about him, and
Yes.
he captured the dance moves, he captures the fighting scenes and
Yes.
all. Yes, those
Every
things,
single thing.
everything, those things needed in a mashup.
I really love, and I think he has covered mostly the dancing steps and some of the
Action, yes.
action scenes of Ramcharan sir. I am a little bit down. Why? Because I thought he will cover the struggle
Dialogues,
life,
okay,
the
struggle.
dialogues, and the way he has started his career.
Yes.
Because on the birthday we always expect to see each and every single thing
Yes.
of about an actor, right? So that
How much
thing I
movies
think
he have done, how it
kitna
went-
awards
came
mila,
to the movie,
how much
those
awards
things,
he has
yes.
gotten, and what is his failures, what is his success, and each and every single thing.
I think
So
life,
I think
we
this
can
is
check
a
the
little
life
bit,
history of him, right?
Ha.
Any mass-up kind of
yes,
thing is there.
10 amazing facts about Ramcharan sir,
Yes,
like that we
like
can
that
do.
also we can
Yes,
do,
yes.
right? Or Rage of Ramcharan,
Yes,
right?
ha, ha,
And also we are waiting for his blockbuster movie. Already we are giving him as a blockbuster.
Already we have
movie, right?
we have already given the reaction, and I think that
Because
would be
that
a
will be a game changer
phenomenal
for him.
phenomenal movie.
Yes.
Okay, for his career. So yeah, I think Cine Safari, you have done brilliant job, and we really love your whole creativity. This is
Right.
outstanding. Okay, you have covered each and every single thing, and I really love your music sense also as well. The way you have put the BGM all together, it was awesome.
was awesome,
It was awesome. We really enjoyed it. It is a 9 out of 10 from my side,
Yes,
actually.
okay.
Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. We really enjoyed the video, and once again, happy birthday to Ramcharan sir, the
Yes.
power star. May God bless you. And if you like today's content, guys, please subscribe our channel, and also click the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.